And right now here in the 10 News Live Center, the final votes are being counted across the country, with Ted Cruz barely getting the win in Texas despite Beto O'Rourke's early lead. Now, if you look at this graphic here, the two were neck and neck, with Cruz finally pulling away with 50.9% of the vote. There has been talk of O'Rourke running for president. And then out in Florida, the race between Governor Rick Scott and Democrat Bill Nelson still too close to call in that Senate race. You can see 50.2% to 49.8%. And then in Arizona, history will be made. The state's first female senator will be voted into Congress. Right now, Martha McSally is leading that race by less than 1%. In the Live Center, back to you guys.